Exact Track 40 still showing the showers to the south. Here's the frontal boundary. Lingers across South Florida. Low pressure area developing along that frontal boundary, and that's our weather maker for Thursday and Friday. 11 o'clock advisory. The next one's at 5 o'clock, and then 11 o'clock tonight. We're expected to see weakening here, barely holding on as that circulation starts to unwind, and then it will head over toward Iceland by Monday, Tuesday of next week. Along with Nigel, now a 10% chance, and what that will do is actually get the spaghetti plots rolling. It's come off the coast of Africa, and you can see that little blip there inside of that area of influence south of the Cape Verde Islands. All of the models continue to show that swirl moving into the central Atlantic, and also we'll see the spaghetti plots start to generate now with a 10% chance, and that little blip inside of our area of interest off of South Florida, technically just to the north of the Bahamas, and that will lift toward the Carolinas and the Outer Banks Friday night into Saturday as drier weather actually comes pushing in behind that frontal boundary. That improves the weekend. In the short term between Thursday and Friday, locally heavy rainfall possible along the beaches. We could see training events, one shower after the next, and that could add up to 1, 2, 3+ inches of rain along our coastal zones. And then the potential for some flooding along the intercoastal and the river basin in those low-level areas. This increasing onshore flow, 20+ miles an hour at times, will start to slow the north flow of the river, and that allows some of the minor to low-level flooding to occur along the high tide lines for the intercoastal, the St. Johns, and even along the area beaches, as well as some erosion with what will be the pounding waves here for the next couple of days. Things will begin to settle down and turn more northerly on Saturday. That ushers in the drier wind, and it brings down the rain chances as little as 20%, where we started the work week here as high as a 50-50 shot. Yesterday, 30%. The model's falling in line for some drier and some seasonal temperatures here for the first day of fall, and that lingers into Sunday if you're heading out for some tailgating and some football. Weather Authority forecast is always a click away at News4JAX, a shout away on your favorite devices.